Hi Sam, it's great to see you again. Today, we are going to learn the word
planen.
Hi Alex.
Planen.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
well.
Planen.
Means to plan. It can refer to making arrangements for something, like organizing an event or mapping out a project. The most common usage is in everyday situations, like planning a trip. Just a heads up, don't confuse it with the English word plane, which has a completely different meaning.
Oh, I see. So how do you use
Planen.
in a sentence?
Great question. In the present tense, you say,
Ich plane. Du planst.
and.
Sie, es plant.
For example, I could say,
Ich plane eine Reise nach Deutschland.
which means I am planning a trip to Germany. In the past, you might say,
Ich plante.
for the Präteritum, and in the perfect, you would say,
Ich habe geplant.
Ich habe geplant.
Means I have planned.
exactly. And if you want to give an order, you can say,
Plane das.
which means plan that.
That's really helpful. Is there anything interesting about the history of the word?
Planen.
Yes, there is. The word comes from the Old High German.
Plan.
It originally meant to flatten or to level, which later evolved into its current meaning of making plans or arrangements. It's fascinating how the meaning shifted over time.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Now, let's break down the word.
Planen.
It consists of the root
Plan.
and the suffix. The root
Plan.
relates to the concept of laying something out or organizing, while the ending indicates it's a verb.
So, it's like building blocks.
Exactly. If you think about it, you start with the idea of a plan and then build it up from there. It's a good way to remember it.
That makes sense. Are there similar words in German that I should know?
Absolutely. Here are some examples.
I'm ready.
First, there's,
Umplanen.
which means to change a plan. The prefix means around or change. Then, there's,
Einplanen.
meaning to incorporate something into a plan. The prefix
Ein.
means in.
Got it. What else?
There's also,
Abplanen.
which means to cancel a plan. The prefix means off. Then we have,
Planmäßig.
which means according to plan. The suffix
mäßig,
suggests a manner or way.
Those are useful.
Yes. And then we have,
der Plan,
which is the noun form meaning the plan. The article is,
der,
and the plural is.
die Pläne,
Die Pläne.
Means the plans.
Correct. And there's also,
der Umplan,
meaning the change of plan.
Okay, I think I have a good grasp on this. But how can I use
Planen.
in real life?
Let's practice that. Imagine you're at work and need to plan a meeting. You could start with,
ich plane ein Meeting für nächste Woche.
Ich plane ein Meeting für nächste Woche.
exactly. Now, how about at the doctor's office? You might say,
Ich plane einen Termin für morgen.
Ich plane einen Termin für morgen.
perfect. Lastly, if you were traveling, you could say,
Ich plane, nach Berlin zu fahren.
Ich plane, nach Berlin zu fahren.
you're doing great. Now, let's talk about memory hints for the gender of.
Der Plan.
What do you have in mind?
The word
Plan.
ends in, which often indicates masculine nouns. You can also remember it as, the plan is a man's idea.
That's a fun image.
Now, let's talk about usage notes.
Planen.
Is quite informal and commonly used in everyday conversation. Some typical collocations include
Einen Plan machen. Etwas planen.
and,
Einen Termin planen.
So, those phrases are frequently used together.
exactly. Just watch out for similar words like,
Spielen.
which means to play. They sound a bit alike but have completely different meanings.
Okay, I think I'm ready for a quick recall check.
Great. What does
Planen.
mean?
To plan.
Correct. How do you say I am planning a trip?
Ich plane eine Reise.
Perfect. What is the past tense of?
Planen.
Is it?
Ich plante.
Yes. Now, what is the plural of?
Der Plan.
Die Pläne.
Exactly. What is the imperative form?
Plane das.
Right again. Last question. What is the prefix in?
Umplanen.
It's.
Fantastic job, Sam. Today, we learned a lot about.
Planen.
Remember, it means to plan, and it's used in many everyday situations. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed today's lesson.